Welcome to Calm Mind and Healthy Body, our channel. Today we're diving into the refreshing world of natural remedies, focusing on the incredible benefits of lemon and cucumber juice, rosemary tea, avocado seed, chayote, and episode. First, lemon and cucumber juice is not just a delicious drink. It's packed with vitamins and antioxidants that can boost your immune system, aid digestion, and promote hydration. Next, we'll explore rosemary tea, a fragrant herbal infusion known for its medicinal properties. This tea has been used for centuries to improve memory, reduce inflammation, and even alleviate stress. But that's not all. We'll also uncover the hidden benefits of avocado seed, a powerhouse of nutrients often discarded, as well as chayote, a versatile vegetable rich in vitamins and minerals. Lastly, we'll discuss episode, an herb with a unique flavor and impressive health benefits. So, stay tuned as we unravel the secrets of these natural wonders and how they can enhance your well-being. Before we dive deep into the main subject, if you enjoy our content, we'd appreciate it if you could subscribe and hit the notification bell. Hence, you'll be updated on health tips, recipes, and wellness inspiration. Check out our related content for more health tips. Your engagement helps us continue to provide valuable information and tips for a healthier life. I appreciate your support. The benefits of lemon and cucumber juice. Combining lemon and cucumber juice creates a refreshing drink with many health benefits. Lemon juice is renowned for its detoxifying properties. It helps flush out toxins from the body, promoting liver health and enhancing digestion. Additionally, lemon's high vitamin C content boosts immunity, making it easier for your body to fend off illnesses. On the other hand, cucumbers are incredibly hydrating, consisting of about 95% water. This hydration is essential for maintaining healthy skin, as it helps keep your skin plump and radiant. The antioxidants found in cucumbers also combat free radicals, reducing signs of aging. When you mix lemon and cucumber juice, you create a powerful synergy that promotes overall wellness. Together, they hydrate, detoxify, and provide essential nutrients that support skin health and boost your immune system. This delightful combination is not just a tasty beverage. It's a simple yet effective way to enhance your health and vitality. Diseases that cure with rosemary tea. Rosemary tea is more than just a fragrant beverage. It's a powerful herbal remedy with various medicinal uses. One of its notable benefits is its ability to alleviate digestive issues. Drinking rosemary tea can help reduce bloating, gas, and indigestion, making it a great choice after meals. Additionally, rosemary enhances memory and cognitive function thanks to its antioxidant properties that protect brain cells. This makes it an excellent option for those seeking mental clarity. Furthermore, rosemary tea boasts anti-inflammatory properties that can benefit respiratory health. It may help relieve colds, allergies, and asthma symptoms by opening airways and reducing inflammation. To prepare rosemary tea for maximum benefits, simply steep fresh or dried rosemary leaves in hot water for 5 to 10 minutes. You can enhance the flavor and health benefits by adding a slice of lemon or a touch of honey. Enjoying this aromatic tea regularly can support your overall well-being and help combat various ailments. Avocado seed. Test its benefits. Avocado seeds are often overlooked, but pack a nutritional punch that can significantly benefit your health. Rich in antioxidants, avocado seeds help combat oxidative stress in the body, which can reduce the risk of chronic diseases. These potent compounds also have the potential to lower cholesterol levels, promoting heart health. Additionally, avocado seeds can aid in weight loss by enhancing metabolism and keeping you feeling full longer, making them a great addition to a balanced diet. Their high fiber content also improves digestion, helping to maintain a healthy gut. Incorporating avocado seeds into your daily diet is easier. You can start by drying the seeds and grating or blending them into smoothies, soups, or salads for an added nutritional boost. Alternatively, you can make avocado seed tea by boiling the chopped seeds in water. With its numerous health benefits and versatility, avocado seeds are a fantastic way to enhance your meals while supporting your overall well-being. Chayote and lemon hidden benefits. Often regarded as a humble vegetable, chayote offers impressive health benefits worth exploring. One of its standout features is its ability to support heart health. Chayote is low in calories and rich in fiber, which can help lower cholesterol levels and improve overall cardiovascular function. Additionally, it plays a role in regulating blood sugar levels, making it an excellent choice for those managing diabetes or looking to maintain stable energy levels. On the other hand, lemons are packed with vitamin C, a powerful antioxidant that promotes skin rejuvenation. This vitamin helps combat free radicals, reduces signs of aging, and enhances skin texture, giving you a radiant glow. Chayote and lemon create a dynamic duo that can improve metabolic health. The fiber from chayote and vitamin C from lemon can boost digestion and support weight management. Incorporating this combination into your meals can elevate your dishes and provide many health benefits to your overall well-being. Episode: Medicinal plant uses and health benefits. Episode is a unique herb with a rich history in traditional medicine, particularly in Latin American cultures. One of its most notable benefits is aiding digestion and relieving gas. Many people use epizot to alleviate bloating and discomfort after meals, making it a popular addition to bean dishes known to cause gas. Additionally, epizot possesses anti-parasitic properties, making it helpful in treating intestinal worms and other parasitic infections in traditional medicine. Its leaves have been used in various herbal remedies to promote overall digestive health. However, using epizot safely is essential, as it can be potent. When preparing epizot, start with small amounts, as excessive consumption can lead to adverse effects. You can use fresh or dried leaves in cooking or brew them into a tea. Always consult with a healthcare professional before using epizot for medicinal purposes, especially if you are pregnant or have underlying health conditions. Incorporating this versatile herb into your diet can enhance your meals while providing valuable health benefits. Incorporating these natural remedies into your daily life can significantly enhance your well-being and support a healthier lifestyle. If you found this information helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel for more health-related content. Consider sharing this video with friends and family who might benefit from these insights. Your engagement helps us continue to provide valuable information and tips for a healthier life. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the following video.